How to set up a print and cut project in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. Open Silhouette Studio and open the Page Setup panel from the right toolbar. Step 2. Click the Media Size drop-down and select a size that matches your printer settings. Step 3. Next, go to the third tab known as Registration Marks. Step 4. Select On to turn on registration marks. Step 5. If you have a design to use, go to File in the top toolbar and select Merge. Step 6. Select the design you want to use and resize it to fit into the working area. Step 7. Click Center to Page in the Quick Access toolbar to center the design. Step 8. Click the Offset panel in the right toolbar, then select Offset. Step 9. Set the distance and click Apply. Step 10. Go to the Send panel and select Cut Edge. Step 11. Click the Material drop-down and select the material you'll be using. Step 12. Now go ahead and print, then cut the design. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.